Hi, this is Westgate Real Estate and Property Management, and I am outside of 418 Unit A, Upham Street in West Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located a short distance from downtown Petaluma. And there is an attached 1-car garage. Great street parking. It's part of a larger complex. Really nice unit. So you come in and there is a half bath right from the front door. Really nice half bath. A large closet area here. Nice storage underneath the stairwell. Nice living room with access to the backyard. Really nice sunny patio and deck area. Living room. Galley kitchen with gas range, dishwasher and refrigerator. Again, you can see the living room. Really nice finished garage. And we'll go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. So this first bedroom to the right, it's a really nice larger bedroom with double closets. I say this room could easily accommodate a king bed, bathroom with tub and shower, and the other bedroom. So again, this is 418 Unit A, Upham Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.